Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I'm just going to show how to center the project name on the first page easily. You just go to click on the send insert option here. Now just go to the table and just pick only one into one cell. Now you can see that has been inserted. Just type the project name. For an example, I'm just going to type as a PROJECT. Okay, it has been project name has been typed. Now you just extract the box to the entire page. So having extract the box, so now you just click on the table properties. It will be pop up on the side. You just need to click on the alignment option here. In here you just need to change the cell vertical alignment to top to middle, so it automatically goes to the middle option. Okay, then just make some space to make it a center. After that you just need to click alignment to the center, table alignment, everything you just need to click center is here. Then go to the color option here. Now just choose the table border to the white color. Now you can see the project has been gone to the center portion of the page. So if you want to adjust something, you just can be changed to the thing. Actually it's all about fixing the table size. For an example, you have been fixed this size to here. You can see automatically the table has been changing the center portion of the letter. So it's all about your centering the table. So after centering table, you just click on the table properties and change the color to white. It automatically goes to the project name goes to the center of the page. Try this option on Google Docs, and I think this video helped you a lot. If it is helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing up from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.